guys, Brittany here with Thumper, and today we have an all-new product. So this is a Can-Am Defender, but what's really unique about this new product is it's not just going to fit on the Can-Am Defender. It's going to fit on the Can-Am Defender, the Can-Am Commander, and the Polaris Ranger. This is what we call the Adjustable Bed Rack. Take a look. So you're probably wondering, adjustable? What? Let me show you. So here you have the adjustable hole, and you can raise your bed rack from whatever height you desire. So you can go up with it, or you can come all the way down with it. Very, very easy to do. So here on the sides, you see we have a roto pack, but you can't just put that. You can put an axe, you can put a gun mount, you can put a gas jug. Anything you can desire to put on this mount is gonna mount right up to your adjustable bed rack. So what's really unique about our adjustable bed rack is when you're on the trail and you're trying to pop a trail soda with your friends and you don't have a bottle opener, we got the solution for you. Cheers. So like I said, you always need extra storage. If you're hunting, if you're working the ridge, or you're just riding through the trail, you got an extra storage basket up here, or you're at an event, you want to watch the race from up top. Remember, everything we make is strong enough, you can stand on it. So if you want to find this product and many more to fit any of your machines, check us out, thumperfab.com. I'll see you on the trails.